What's up, fam? It's your boy Theos, 23-year-old unemployed college dropout. This is gonna be Degen recap number 1. You already hit 0 Shuggy Docky Pepper as we go over the recap. Trader Bango 15k across 5 accounts just on Lucid alone. You can see just the daily funded in the top left. Y'all could imagine whatever the fuck you want. I don't give no shit. So if you want this, you'll roll your sleeves up, do your own due diligence, and stop letting people fucking take you for a run. Oh, watch this video. Nah, bro, just roll your sleeves up and go watch ICT. And then find people that literally are proof of work. And you don't need to make a fucking course and try to run away, bro. Anyways, so if we first start off, we reset, you'll see here on the 15-minute Thursday the 20th, we have 15-minute for value gap that we're turning inversion here overnight, dropping down to a 5-minute chart. 5-minute for value gap with a volume imbalance at the high at 6:30 being respected at time of day 7:30. So my main concept for this was we generated liquidity 650 in the 710 macro. We failed to go lower than 732. See here, I'll put it yellow. Pink. This line here, that line. Okay, we failed to go lower, so it's generating liquidity for later. Look what it did at 824. Look how it used it one more time. Yeah, and let me show me your mentor talking about that. Anyhow, here you can see back to the 15-minute real quick. If you look left, there's this fair value gap here. This was the main draw. See, always look left. And I had to manually close the position because we failed. We were failing to go higher. So in the recording, I'll clip it in right here, or I'll just pull it up and pause. Okay, I am talking over, but here you'll see me move my stop loss to the volume imbalance, because in my mind it's like I believe market should continue higher with major speed, but since it did not, I'm looking at this as order block, and I had the 15-minute mentally marked out, and I was suspecting us to just continue higher into the buy side overall. But since we failed to do as such, I literally am suspecting price to continue lower, and literally just look at just what happens, bro. Like I can't even make it up, bro. Just like it's over. So if you see the clipped in with the recording, there should have been the volume imbalance here at 7:59, 8 o'clock that failed to open, and that's when I closed my position. I trailed my stop up into it because it was either we're gonna rip higher or we're failing and we're gonna continue lower back into. Real quick, the 5-minute, continue lower, new day gap overnight. So the entries and my confidence behind it, first off, back to the 5-minute. 5-minute for value gap being respected after 7 o'clock. Volume imbalance here, 655, 7 o'clock, being accumulated at. On the 1-minute, after sweeping recent sell side liquidity here at 727, respecting fair value gap. Respecting 1-minute with that 5-minute double confirmation. So that's entry 1 as we leave away, entry 2 as we're leaving away, entry 3 as we're showing inversion of 727. That's a limit. I said limit. It failed then. But my limit was 610, I believe, or 955. But it filled there, and then you see we're showing confirmation of inversion on the 1-minute and 653 showing inversion. major accumulation 746 candle. Wick manipulate low. Accumulation on the 15-second. Drop down. 650. There's the manipulate. 746. 15-second. One more time. 746. This wick. 746. Manipulate, but respecting 15-second imbalance. Accumulating. Back to the 1 minute. Major accumulation. Showing major sign of inversion confirmed. Here. Yes, where's the confirmation? There was no true confirmation. It inversed and ran away because this was a manipulation move. 750, 810 manipulation for continuation down to original target consequent encouragement of overnight gap. So anyways, you have inversion for value gap, which could have been your entry short here. Inversion here. There's the wick confirmation. Right there. You know ICT, you know that was that, you know that was there. You know that was the trade. Overnight right there. You know it. Because we're clearing everything. We're resetting the board. Everything that we talked about, that we were using, we got cleared out, right? So everything's cleared. So we're now, since we failed to draw higher, to a higher time frame draw, our draw is intermediate low time frame draw, and this is intermediate because look at the time. This is on the 1 minute macro or 1 minute fractal time. So this is intermediate because we're not on a 4 hour. Look, 4 hour. Let's turn these fucking things off. See? So 4 hour, see how it's different? Like, where's your most recent draw? Most recent draw is here. See? We failed to draw higher. Respecting that 15 minute. The value gap. 1 minute entry. Pause break. Unemployed Degen. Banged NQ. Harder than you probably ever will. And your mentor. Bro. Come on now. But nah, honestly, this was optimal trade. Like, I don't even care about the trade I took. I don't even care about profit, bro. Like, I care about this. The process. Fall in love with the process. It's GG, bro. It's GG. Nobody could keep up. That's the truth. And if you can, bro, you'll show it. It will show. Your true colors will show. But yeah, pretty beautiful situation here. Basically top tick. Dude, this is the trade though. If anybody took this, bro, you gotta let me know. Like, anyways, later fam. Stay safe, stay focused, stay patient, stay disciplined. Above all else, enjoy the journey, trust the process, and join Riptide.